I can't stress enough how embarrassing embarrassinging would be. Oh, wait, no, I can. Really, really, really embarrassing.
Embarrassing. I don't even know the meaning of the word.
Well, I know the meaning of all the words. And if you've never been embarrassed before, it's because I've been around to save you.
You? Saving me? Wait. I'm sorry. What's the word that means you're wrong?
Incorrect, erroneous, inaccurate, mistaken, faux, false, netazinga. Great.
Sis, you're all of those. Thanks.
Historic for all the wrong reasons. This couldn't be worse if we were on Planet Terrible.
Or worse.
What's worse?
Being on Planet Worse. Planet Worse. Where all your deepest miseries are real. Where all the pianos are out of tune. And the only songs are nursery rhymes.
So, Nova, what can you show us on this behind the curtain tour?
How about behind this curtain? Behold, a mirror. The very mirror I myself look into. And there I am. Hello. Looking awesome. Isn't this belt fab? I won it in an intergalactic rap battle.
So stylish. How do you do it? When I try new fashions, I always end up looking like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards.
Dragged through what? A hedge? That's a terrible idea.
That's just a saying.
Well, I'm saying it's a terrible idea. A hedge? No. Prickly, spiky, hedgy? Why? Now, this is the Nova Jones corridor, as officially named by me after the time I once walked along it just now.
Wow. Imagine being famous. Oh, getting on telly. Folk asking for your autograph.
Ah, keep imagining until you become famous for holding cutlery with your feet. No one's asking you for your autograph.
As you can see, I only have the best chairs. Careful, they're so comfy, you'll never get up.
Tell us more. What do you serve here? Is it absolutely awesome?
Of course, after all, I made it. All the dishes you see in this diner are my own original creations. The Nova Bock of Glory, all mine. Nova Carbonara, me. Who invented Nova Steak and Nova Chips? Hello, I'm a whiz in the kitchen.
Exclusive. Stay tuned. Coming up next, cooking with Nova.
Oh, embarrassing. Shouldn't McLaren have stopped her?
She must be busy. We could do it.
I love cooking on the ship. That is, when I'm not piloting it.
Chef Din Dins.
Superstar to superstar. Nova's mixing it up in the kitchen.
I'll be showing you how to cook. Like I said I could. We'll make my fave banana smash up with extra blueberries. Cooking's easy. Probably. First, take 2 of these, spoons. Take a couple,
Bananas. And those blueberries are the blueberries.
Make sure you push them around the table a bit to really release the flavours. Whoops, wrong way around. And then you press this. Simple. Turn it off! Turn it off! Oh, I feel all weird. My skin's prickly and hot, and I'm cross at everyone, and I don't want people to see me. No! My tummy feels like it's hiding in my pants. What is this?
Sounds like embarrassment.
Well, I don't like it. Make it stop.
The captain was saying that one should never be pressed.
What's it do?
It turns on the ship's magnetic coils, which is fine as long as no one's wearing anything big and metally like that big metally belt you got on.
No, 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 no! Oh, hedge. Backwards, backwards hedge. Red, hot, At least I don't have to do that ridiculous wobbler show.
Of course not. Oh, cancelled. Another glitch. Ignore this.
You heard it here first. It's another hit from Nova Jones.
You did it! You've got 3 months to rescue me!
Arrival time in 3 months.
I didn't mean wait 3 months to rescue me. Do it now!
Welcome to this historic first ever Waggleverse concert! And who better to perform than the one and only Nova Jones!
I'm not afraid to be who I am. I'm not afraid to say I can. And I'm the best at always being me. Even if it gets a little embarrassing. It doesn't matter how you look, how you sound. Get up when the fuck down. It doesn't matter how you act, how you dress. As long as you got confidence. It doesn't matter how you look, how you sound. Get up when the fuck down. It doesn't matter how you act, how you dress. As long as you got confidence. You know when you feel deflated, you get flustered, humiliated, and uncomfortable. You're feeling shy, deep down you just feel mortified. But don't feel discouraged. Be who you are, have courage, 'cause you're a superstar. So reach for the sky, just be yourself and hold your head up high. That was a narrow squeak. Your super genius saved the day. Have you got anything to say to our viewers now that you're a famous hero?
I resigned from being a celebrity. It was much too dangerous. Somebody may ask me to sign something.
And there it is. Nova's embarrassing with no embarrassment. Absolutely awesome. Of course, she's Nova Jones. She's truly, and I really mean this, exceptional.